Naomi Home presents the Bianca 9-drawer office cabinet assembly video. Before we begin, please make sure to have the assembly instructions on hand to follow along and have all the parts listed. This office cabinet comes as shown with 9 drawers to store your office essentials. To get started, get all 18 drawer sliders and disconnect the inner part from the outer part. Do so by lifting the hilt while sliding the piece out of place. Place 9 outer drawer sliders onto part number 3. Use 2 black screws to attach each slider in place. Insert 8 cam bolts onto the remaining pre-made holes in part number 3. Place 9 outer drawer sliders onto part number 4. Use 2 black screws to attach each slider in place. Insert 8 cam bolts onto the remaining pre-made holes in part number 4. Insert 2 parts number 5 and 2 parts number 7 onto part number 3. Use 8 cam lock to lock them in place. Insert part number 6 into the grooves of parts number 5. Make sure the finished side is facing outwards. Now, connect part number 4 onto parts number 5 and 7. Use 8 cam locks to lock them in place. Insert part number 6 into the grooves of parts number 3 and 4. Make sure the finished side is facing outwards. Insert 4 cam bolts and 4 wood dowel pins onto part number 1. Insert part number 6 into the grooves on the other side of parts number 3 and 4. Make sure the finished side is facing outwards. Attach part number 1 onto part number 3 and 4. Use 4 cam locks to lock them in place. Insert 4 wood dowel pins onto part number 2. Attach part number 2 onto part number 3 and 4. Use 4 E-screws to secure them in place. Connect the J pieces into the center and sides of the back of the cabinet. Use the J screws to connect the J pieces in place. Place 4 H pieces onto the corners of your cabinet. Use 2 black screws for each of the H pieces to connect them in place. Now we'll continue with the drawers assembly. Obtain all parts of numbers 10, 11, and 12. Use 2 D screws to connect part number 10 onto part number 11. Use 2 more D screws to connect parts number 12 onto part number 11. Pause here and repeat this step 8 more times. Get all 9 parts of number 13, slide each one into the grooves of parts number 10 and 12. Make sure each drawer has part number 13 installed before proceeding. Get all 5 of part number 8 and insert 2 cam bolt into the pre-made holes in parts number 8 that are furthest from the groove. Insert 2 wood dowel pins onto a part number 8. Connect parts number 8 onto parts number 10 and 12. Use 2 cam locks to lock them in place. Pause here and repeat this step 4 more times. Get all 4 of part number 9. Insert 2 cam bolt into the pre-made holes in parts number 9 that are furthest from the groove. Insert 2 wood dowel pins onto a part number 9. Connect parts number 9 onto parts number 10 and 12. Use 2 cam locks to lock them in place. Pause here and repeat this step 3 more times. Gather all inner drawer sliders. Place an inner drawer slider on the sides of part number 10 and 12. Use 2 black screws to secure each inner drawer slider in place. Repeat the steps until each drawer has 2 sliders attached. Carefully insert drawer boxes by aligning the inner and outer drawer sliders and gently pushing the drawer boxes. And there you have it, your Bianca 9-drawer office cabinet is complete and ready for use. Thanks for watching. Please like, subscribe, and share for more Naomi Home content. You can find the product link and more in the description below.